हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू आवर चैनल द निमोनिक हब। आज की वीडियो में हम सभी हार्मोन्स के बायोएसे, उनके कॉम्पोजिशन और उनका फॉर्मेशन पढ़ेंगे। देन हम हार्मोन्स का सिनर्जिस्टिक एंड एंटागोनिस्टिक बिहेवियर भी देखेंगे। स्टार्ट करते हैं टेबल से। पहला है ऑक्सिन। इट इज़ एन इंडोल डेरिवेटिव एंड इट्स प्रिकर्सर इज ट्रिप्टोफैन विच इज़ एन अमाइनो एसिड। Second one is gibberellin. It is an terpene and its precursor is acetyl coenzyme A. Third one is cytokinin, also known as kinetin, which is an adenine derivative and its precursor is modified purine, which is derived from tRNA. Fourth one is abscisic acid, which is a derivative of carotenoids and its precursor is viola xanthine. It is not given in NCERT, but still you guys should know this. Fifth one is ethylene. These are gaseous compounds and its precursor is methionine. Now we will see each one of them separately. First, we'll talk about oxine. It was first discovered by Charles Darwin and Francis Darwin. It was first isolated on agar plate by F.W. Wendt on coleoptile tip of oat seedling. It was first isolated in free form from indole acetic acid from human urine by Cogill and Smith. It is synthesized on growing apices of stem and root like root tip, shoot tip and branch tip. It deposits away from light, that's why plants bend towards the sunlight. Movement of oxygen is largely basipetal. Now we will talk about the bioassay. What do you mean by bioassay? Bioassay का मतलब है किसी पर्टिकुलर हार्मोन का स्पेसिफिक टेस्ट, जिस टेस्ट की वजह से पता चल जाए कि हार्मोन कौन सा है। नाउ ऑक्सिन्स आर ऑफ टू टाइप्स, नेचुरल एंड सिंथेटिक। नेचुरल ऑक्सिन्स आर आइसोलेटेड फ्रॉम प्लांट्स एंड synthetic oxins are artificially synthesized in laboratories. These are 2,4-dichlorophenoxyacetic acid, 2,4,5-trichlorophenoxyacetic acid and naphthalene acetic acid. जो वियतनाम वॉर में यूज़ हुआ था वो 50-50 मिक्सचर था 2,4-D एंड 2,4-T का, which is also known as Agent Orange. Next hormone is gibberellin. It was discovered by E. Kurosawa in fungus Fujikuroi, which causes Bakane disease of rice. It is synthesized in fungi and in higher plants close to their node, base of internode and in seed. Bioassay of gibberellin are dwarf B test and dwarf mace test. Next hormone is cytokinin. It was discovered by Skoog and co-workers from tobacco calice. Calice means mass of undifferentiated cell. First cytokinin which was isolated is kinetin, also known as L6-furfuryl aminopurine. It was isolated by Miller and their group from autoclaved herring sperm DNA. Herring is a fish and from its sperm DNA it was isolated. This is an animal source. Kinetin does not occur naturally from plants, but जो corn kernel होता है, kernel is basically its seed. इससे benzyl aminopurine, also known as zeatin, निकलता है। zeatin एक टाइप का नेचुरल काइनेटिन है। ये कोकोनट मिल्क से भी निकलता है, which means these two are its plant sources. मेन साइटोकाइनिन की डिस्कवरी क्रेडिट स्कूक एंड मिलर को भी जाता है। साइटोकाइनिन इज सिंथेसाइज्ड इन प्लांट्स where active cell division takes place, like cambium, root tip, young leaf and young fruit. Bioassay of cytokinin are tobacco pith culture test, cell division test, delay in leaf senescence test, which is also known as Richmond-Lang effect. Next hormone is ethylene. It is discovered by H.H. Cousins. H.H. Cousins ने ripened oranges को unripened bananas के पास रख दिया था, जिसकी वजह से अनराइपेंड बनानास भी राइपेंड हो गए थे, जिससे दे गॉट टू नो कि कोई तो गैशियस सब्सटेंस है विच रिलीजेस फ्रॉम राइपेंड फ्रूट्स. दे नेम्ड दैट गैशियस सब्सटेंस एज इथाइलिन. इट इज सिंथेसाइज्ड फ्रॉम द टिश्यूज विच आर अंडरगोइंग सेनेसेंस और फ्रूट राइपनिंग. Aqueous solution of ethylene is known as ethiphone. It is widely used because it is readily absorbed and transported within the plants and releases ethylene slowly. Bioassay of ethylene are inhibition of stem elongation. Now the last hormone, that is abscisic acid. During the mid-1960s, 3 independent research projects occurred, and later the product that resulted from these 3 projects was the same. However, each project gave the product a different name: inhibitor B, abscission 2, and Dormin. Bioassay of abscisic acid is cotton or bean explant test. Site of synthesis of this hormone is from site where dormancy is happening, like dormant buds, guard cells of stomata, and leaf. Now, at the end of the video, we will talk about the synergistic and antagonistic approaches. First, let's talk about synergistic one. We'll look at its role and see which hormone act synergistically for that particular function. First role is cell division, and hormones promoting them are auxin and cytokinin. Next role is flowering in pineapple, and hormones promoting it are auxin and ethylene. Next role is abscission. Abscisic acid and ethylene promote abscission in all plants, but auxin promote abscission only in old plants. Last role is delay senescence. Gibberellin and cytokinin both delay senescence. Now, the antagonistic one. In this, one hormone will promote and one will inhibit a particular role. First role is apical dominance. Auxin will promote it and cytokinin will inhibit it. So these two hormones are antagonistic to each other. Next role is seed dormancy. Abscisic acid will promote and gibberellins will inhibit. Last role is senescence. Abscisic acid will promote it and gibberellin will inhibit it. That's all for today, guys. Share and subscribe and comment below what topic you want next. Until next time, keep studying, keep growing, and stay motivated.